Okay, this is my pan-fried chicken in a lemon creamy Parmesan butter sauce. Serve it up with some chips and some peas. What a fantastic light meal. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today I am winging it. I am winging a recipe, no recipe notes. This is straight off the top of my head. I'm making a pan-fried chicken breast. Well, I'm doing two actually. Pan-fried chicken and a Parmesan lemon butter sauce. Let's show you how to do it right now. Okay, this starts with a couple of chicken breasts, and what we're going to do, we're actually going to put a couple of slits in diagonally across the chicken breast, and then we're going to turn the chicken breast and we're going to put the slits in the other way, and that way we'll end up with some like cube effect on our chicken breast. Now, not only will this make it look good when it's pan fried, it will also help in cooking our chicken. Obviously the heat and cooking can get right into the chicken breast if it's cut this way. So that's one done. All we're going to do is get on and do the other one. So again, some slits across. Be careful not to go all the way through, and then cut it diagonally the other way, and then we've got this cubed effect ready for seasoning, and that way our seasoning can get all the way into the chicken too. There we go. That's fantastic. Easy to do that. All we got to do now is put our seasoning on and it'll go in there. So we're going to drizzle over lemon juice. Get some lemon juice over there. Lemon juice will soak into all the cracks on there, leaving that nice citrus flavour on our chicken. We're going to salt and we're going to pepper. So a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're only going to do one side actually. We're not going to touch the other side. And then what we have to do, we have to prep our veg. Now, easy to do of the veg on this. A couple of garlic cloves, give them a smashing, give them a quick whiz over. We don't want to mince them too small, but again, you can mince it as small as you want. That's up to you guys. So, garlic minced, a little bit of fresh parsley. We're just going to give that a little whiz over. We're not going to go too small. You know, we want parsley in our sauce. And then we want a bit of onion. So half an onion, dice it small. This is going to cook in our butter in the pan with the garlic. It's going to be a base in our sauce. So to make our sauce ingredients then, we want about 2 cups of milk and a couple of tablespoons of corn flour, a little pinch of ground nutmeg and some black pepper, and then all we got to do is give it a mix up. Now the corn flour does stick to the bottom, so you have to get in there, lift it up with the spoon or whatever you're using, and give it a stir round. Now I'm adding lemon to this, more lemon juice, because we are making a lemon butter sauce. So get your lemon juice in, stir it all around, and that is our sauce ready for when we've cooked our chicken. So butter in a pan, a little bit of oil, heat on, melt it down. As soon as it starts to melt down, we're going in there with our chicken breasts. Now I'm cooking the chicken breast with the cut side up to start off with, and then that gives the bottom a good chance to sear through up to where we've cut it. Whilst it's cooking in our butter mixture, in with our garlic, in with our onions, and all we've got to do is just pat it down into the butter mixture and let it sit there, let it cook. Now it's going to cook nice and gently and be nice and translucent. Turn over our chicken breasts. Oh, a bit come off there, look. Turn over our chicken breasts and we need to pan fry the other side. We want a little bit of colour on that other side because that other side is the side that's going to actually sit up on our plate when we serve. Nice and gently round. Give it a little stir. It isn't going to burn. The garlic and the onions are really going translucent. You can smell the aroma coming out of the pan with the butter. Now, when we think they're done, turn them over. Let's have a look at them. Now, as you can see, we got a little bit of colour on there. A nice little bit of colour on top of those cubes. So give it a little minute and then we take it out, put it on a plate to rest whilst we make up our sauce. So get your chicken breasts out, put them to one side, let them stand. Don't forget they're still cooking and we're going to put them back in the sauce. Give the butter mixture a good stir around, loosen it up, and then in with our milk sauce mixture. In with our parsley and in with some Parmesan. Give it a stir around and now this will thicken very quickly. It's going to thicken very quickly with the corn flour in there. As you can see, we've got a bit of a thick sauce going on. Not to worry, get our chicken breasts back in there. They need to finish cooking completely in this sauce. Now, with it being so thick, we can run some milk round and just gently tickle the milk into the sauce. Let it cook and it won't thicken up too much. We'll end up with a really nice lemon butter sauce. A nice creamy sauce. I mean, look how good that looks. You can see the butter coming through the sauce. Fantastic. So after a few minutes, we need to serve up. Get the chicken breast out, put it on your plate, serve it up with whatever you want, whether you want mash or anything, that's up to you. I'm serving it with chips and peas. I'm going to drizzle over the Parmesan lemon butter sauce and we're good to go. Well, I'll put on some parsley and a little bit of black pepper. That's just to my taste. And I'll put a little slice of lemon on there too, actually. And then we're good to go. We can get stuck in, give it a slice into, and I will guarantee that this chicken is cooked so succulent all the way through. Oh, my mouth's watering. I mean, just look at that. Bit of parsley over the sauce, bit of pepper on there, bit of Parmesan, slice of lemon. Oh, come on. That looks fantastic. And as you can see, the chicken is perfectly cooked. Soft, juicy, succulent. Oh, bit of sauce on there. Give it a go. That is a cracking recipe. Parmesan, lemon, chicken, pan fried, some chips and some peas. So straightforward, easy cooking, and I mean really easy cooking. Anybody can make this at home and it's very, very tasty. That is delicious. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff, and we'll catch you in the next video.